Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today I will be presenting on the dwarf cushion star, a unique and interesting sea star. Let's begin. So let's first start with the dwarf cushion star's biology. The dwarf cushion star, Pavlulastra exega, is a marine invertebrate in the cushion star family. The organism is a subspecies of the cushion star, Sulcida novagini, and can only be found in parts of Australia and South Africa. I propose the aquaculture of the dwarf cushion star for the purpose as an ornamental aquarium species. The sea stars come in various color morphs, ranging from rust red to an aquamarine green pattern, bringing color into anyone's aquarium. The species is also not well studied, and the aquaculture of the dwarf cushion star could bring on interest in the further study of this unique sea star. This species is found in temperate intertidal zones and is a hermaphroditic organism, which spawns predominantly from August to September. Unlike other sea stars, the eggs are not planktonic and instead lay lesiotrophic benthic larvae onto rocks. Their feeding requirements are also relatively easy, as they mostly feed on microalgae growing on rocks and substrate. The dwarf cushion star would be an ideal species to aquaculture due to its relatively easy reproductive processes, feeding, and space requirements. So here is a photo of the dwarf cushion star. As you can see its central disc. You can even see its mouth in the center there. And you can see it has some very short arms. The little tentacles jutting out from the sides of the arms, those are used for grabbing food. So moving on onto the aquarium market. So according to Livingood and Chapman, the value of ornamental fish and invertebrates imported into different countries worldwide is approximately $278 million. Pet industry surveys have estimated the aquarium industry is worth over $1 billion. Livingood and Chapman also inform that there is a popular, rapidly expanding trend in the hobby to establish marine reef ecosystems within the aquarium. The retail value for a kilogram of coral reef organisms destined for the aquarium trade may be worth $500 to $1,800 USD, while a marine fish used for human consumption can be priced between $6 and $16 USD per kilogram. So when we talk about aquaculturing dwarf cushion stars, we need to talk about what that system would look like. So the dwarf cushion star can be aquacultured in a running saltwater aquaculture system or a closed recirculating aquaculture system, depending on the location and keeping in mind the water parameters and weather conditions. Water parameters include the average water temperature and the average salinity in South Africa. The average water temperature along the coast of South Africa ranges in between 14 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius throughout the year. The salinity fluctuates between 35 and 36 ppt along the coast. Temperature and salinity are extremely important when dealing with any marine organism. Dwarf sea stars would be grown in an indoor facility, although water temperature controls such as heaters and coolers would need to be utilized. Unfortunately, a con to aquaculturing dwarf cushion stars is low to medium stocking density. It has been hypothesized by South African marine biologists that dwarf cushion stars are often locked into a terrestrial struggle with other invertebrates and sea stars. As stated before, the dwarf cushion stars lay lesiotrophic benthic larvae onto rocks. This is ideal for any filtration system, as the eggs would not get filtered out of the main holding tank or aquarium. So this is a video of some dwarf cushion stars crawling along my hands. So in this slide, it shows a picture taken from my co-op in South Africa of several cushion stars crawling around my hand. As you can see, they come in various beautiful morphs and would dazzle any hobbyist aquarium, as with any species. Though they do come with challenges, as the dwarf cushion stars are extremely active, it may be wise to have a cover on any aquarium system or aquarium that houses these organisms. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about the dwarf cushion stars, and I hope you support the aquaculture and research of this species in the future.